My V11 needs relubed, so I'm going to show you guys how I like to do it. So all it is basically an angstrom setup, gravitas, dignitas, might be the wrong order, and DNM. So what I like doing for basically every cube is take out a piece, have a little bit of this one. I know it's the one that goes in the tracks because it's a lot thicker and less runny than this one. So you just want a generous amount, that's probably good, and it'll focus here. There we go. You just want to put this right in there, like this. I like taking a little bit off and then putting it on the other side too. Just makes it a little easier to break it in. That's the word I'm looking for. Then I just put the piece back in and go, say, here. So the other applier, open that, and again I just get generous amount, usually like this, so it's entirely covered almost, kind of running out here, something like that. Then prop it open, and all along this, down here, just try and get all of it off of the applier tool. Then, once that one's done, I just add 2 drops of DNM, and it's usually good to go. So, for most cubes, I'd recommend doing only 1 drop of DNM, then breaking it in, and if it's still a little too slow, then add another. Another thing I've done more recently is tried to only put in the angstrom stuff first and then DNM. That usually works decently well. And what this lube setup will do for you, or what it's done for me in the past, is when it's broken in, a fast and still very stable experience. So what I have here is the V11, and when it's dry I honestly can't use it that well, but with this angstrom setup, which might even make it a little faster than normal, it's really quite good.